How are you today? I hope you're feeling good after the weekend. I've had a really full-on weekend, but it is the third weekend I've not had my kids, which, you know, it's actually been really missing them. But they've had lots on, so I'll have a few weekends ahead with them again. But yeah, I've had lots of time outdoors, exploring nature, and I did experience another lovely little retreat for myself on Saturday morning where there was Qigong, which I've done before, a lovely, nice energetic flow, helping also cleanse the body, remove any stagnant areas and anything that's blocking your chakras, and then a lovely sound healing session. So I've been feeling great, mixed with time with friends and lots of time to myself too, which I do love. My own company. Anyway, let's get started and lie down and focus on our slowing down breath. You might have a little cushion under your head, making yourself comfortable. Maybe bend your legs and place your hands on your tummy to feel your breath. Close your eyes. And just start to notice the flow of your breath moving through your body. Don't try and force the breath to change, just let it be without any efforts. The breath is breathing your body. Feel the temperature of the air moving through your nose. Cool with the inhale and warmer with your exhale. Notice all the parts of your body touching the floor as you move from your head down to your feet. Letting go any tensions. Simply aware of where you've got discomfort or aches or pains. Try and make some adjustments to feel as relaxed as you can. Also feeling the pauses in your breath, those important little moments of nothingness, of great importance to just pause, letting there be a pause in your mind. Feel the belly rising with your inhale, falling with your exhale. You might have a lot going on in your head. Just observe your thoughts. If they're very active, even interfering, you're calm. Try to create an intention instead that distracts you a little bit from any repetitive negative thoughts. Breathing in deeply, slowly breathing out as you repeat your intention 3 times. in towards the chest. And make a little circle round with your knees, moving in both directions. This is lovely for your back, especially your lower back, but also working on your tummy muscles. Now bring the knees in tight and rock yourself up to sitting if you can, or roll onto your side to safely sit up. Bring your hands in front and either step or jump back into plank. Your plank might be on your forearms or your knees. Then lower down the chest between your hands. Inhale, lift up into Sphinx. Bring your hands under your shoulders, lifting up into downward facing dog. Feel the stretch through the back of your legs. Pushing your shoulders away from your hands, really lifting up your tailbone. Now bring your left foot forward into a lunge position. You can raise the leg up first. You might go onto your knees first. Raise the arms up, bringing them round, warming up the shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lift up into warrior one. Open up to the side, adjusting your feet for triangle pose. Heels are lined up, reach to the side. Exhale, bend to the side. Feel the stretch into your hip. Draw the navel in towards the spine, slowly lifting up into reverse warrior. Making any adjustments with your arms if it's uncomfortable. Bringing the arms up and round, moving into pyramid pose. You can raise and lower the arms. Breathing in, breathing out. Both legs are straight. Now bring your hands either side of your foot. Draw the navel in towards the spine as you step back into plank. Exhale, lower slowly down. Inhale, lift up into Sphinx or Cobra. Hands just in front of the shoulders to come up higher in Cobra. Relax the shoulders. Breathing in, lowering your head to the floor. Breathing out, downward facing dog. To turn this way, raising now your right leg up behind you. Gently bring the foot forward. You might do this in steps. Raise the arms up. Inhale, exhale. Lift up, warrior one, adjusting your feet to help you balance. Relax your shoulders, make sure you're not too rigid here. Then open up to the side. Lining the heels up, straightening the legs. Reach. Exhale, bend to the side. You might gaze up to your hand or down to the floor. Noticing any areas that are feeling quite tight. I'm feeling it in here. And slowly, slowly lifting up into reverse warrior. Bending your right leg, the knee above the ankle. This leg is straight. Inhale. Adjust your feet. Exhale. Breathing in, pyramid pose, the back is straight. Breathing out. One more time. Bring the hands to the floor. Use your Mula Bandha lock as you lift the foot back. Plank again. Exhale, lowering down. Inhale, lifting up into Cobra. Breathe in, bring your head to the floor. Breathing out, downward facing dog. Swaying my hips side to side, just getting a deeper stretch in the calves and the hips. Now, three-legged dog, raise your left leg up behind you. You can do this on your knees. So bend the leg, then open up the hip, looking underneath your right arm to see your foot. So on your knees, you're doing it here. Open up the hip. Looking over the other shoulder. So do what feels comfortable for you. Bringing the foot forward in a lunge position. We're going to move into Pigeon Pose. So really good for any tension in your glutes. So we move the foot across to your right hand, your right side, and then slide the heel in towards the pelvis, straightening out your right leg behind you. So it might be helpful to have a rolled up blanket underneath your glute. And if you've got knee trouble, reverse pigeon is best, and I'll show you that. Inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, lowering down. You might lower all the way down to the floor. Reverse pigeon. Lie on your back, bringing the foot across the opposite leg. These postures are really good for any sciatic pain. Okay, start to walk your hands in under the shoulders and just lower to the side, bringing this leg the other side. Now if you can't manage to bring the foot the other side of the bent leg, straighten out this leg for your seated twist. Active foot, inhale, raise up the left arm, exhale, twist around from the waist. Looking over the other shoulder. So good for your back and your digestion. So you're here, bring the leg round, lift up into downward facing dog as we do the other side with our three-legged dog. So this time raise the right leg up behind you, bend the leg, slowly rotate, opening up the pelvis. Keeping your left foot pointing forward. Lowering the leg down. Place your foot between your hands. You might want to prepare yourself for reverse pigeon. Walking the foot across to your left hand. Notice the difference, one side may be tighter than the other. Lowering down. Careful not to overstretch. Feel the breath in your back, gently rising and falling. Walking the hands back in under the shoulders, lowering down to your right side. Bring the other leg over if you can. If not, just straighten out the right leg in front for your seated twist. Breathe in, breathe out. Arm the other side of your leg, or hug the knee in close for a really good stretch in at the glutes. You see my hand is close into the back. A lot of people are here. Try and sit up nice and tall. Release. And cross your legs. Inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower the arms, change in size. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, lean forward and rolling back. Draw the chin to the chest. Open up the chest, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Now boat pose. If you're having any trouble with your back or you've got weakness in your core, anywhere, then keep your feet on the floor and do this moving boat. Inhale and exhale. Draw the tummy muscles in. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, so half boat pose, you lift the feet off the floor. Full boat pose, straightening the legs. You should be feeling this in your tummy. Again. So you might find it helpful to have a strap handy as we're going to do a little postural opener for the shoulders, the triceps and your chest. So lifting up the right arm, walk your fingers down your spine. Then take the left arm out to the side, bringing the hands together if you can. If not, putting the strap over your shoulder and walk your hands closer together on the strap. Sitting up with an open chest. Shaking out. Change the cross of your legs again. And the other side. Inhale. This way you open up the shoulders. You've got more of a chance of your fingers touching. So notice the difference. One side tighter than the other. Other way. You might find it helpful to have your strap again. I'll turn to the side. Taking your hands, clasp the hands behind you, breathe in. Keep the chest open, raise the arms up, breathing out. Inhale and exhale. So with the strap, if it's difficult to clasp your hands and do this, get something that you can hold. Arms probably about shoulder distance apart, and then raise the arms up, inhale and exhale. These movements are great if you're sitting at a desk a lot of the time, or you've got postural challenges with your job. One more time. Okay. So now we're going to do our shoulder stand, or legs up against the wall. Let me show you legs against the wall. If you've got any neck trouble or your core's not quite strong enough yet for shoulder stand, then over to the wall. Get your cushion here and swivel the legs up the wall. Getting as close in as you can, the legs flush against the wall. Hands on your tummy. A lovely relaxing posture. Especially good if you're needing help getting to sleep at night. Okay, so shoulder stand. You might have a blanket from the shoulders down to the hips. Bring the feet up above the hips and then draw the tummy muscles in. Start to walk your hands up your back. Try to straighten the legs. Keep your head in a neutral position. As long as your breathing's okay, stay in here. If you're struggling to get a good breath, that's more important than having straight legs and shoulder stand. So tip the legs slightly over your head. If you've got your legs up against the wall, lower your legs to the left side. Roll over onto your left. Stay there for a few moments. Coming out of your shoulder stand, use your core to slowly lower the body back down. Finishing off with bridge pose, feet parallel ankles under your knees. Arms slightly out to the sides. Exhale, lift up the hips and bridge. Feel the stretch in the whole front of your body. Belly rising with your inhale, falling with your exhale. And with your next exhale, lower back down. Bring your knees in towards the chest. Hug them in close, rock back and forwards a few times. And side to side. Then putting on your cozy socks again. And maybe a nice warm blanket. You might even heat your blanket up before or during your class. You might have an eye pillow now that it's light outside, which is lovely. Lying down in Shavasana for your relaxation. As you lie on your back, take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, just allow your whole body to let go. Sinking deeply, deeply down into the floor. Feel each breath moving in and out of your lungs. Visualizing the chest expanding and contracting with each breath. Feeling nourished as you breathe. Notice if you're having thoughts still distracting your stillness, and simply acknowledge them without having a conversation with them. Allowing them to move on slowly by. To your breath, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in peace, breathing out calm. Notice any changes in your body and your breath. Repeat your intention now 3 times. Starting to make small movements as you stretch out. Opening your eyes. goes well for you today. Keep drawing on your breath and your intention when you've got difficult moments ahead. And I'll see you tomorrow for your 7 o'clock session. Bye for now.